Today is an exciting day. I'm finally unboxing my new action camera. After a long run with the GoPro Hero 10, I finally made the switch. Let's go see what's inside the box. I've now unboxed everything. So I ordered an Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Creator Dual Battery Bundle. So what you get in that is your Insta360 Ace Pro 2, you get your standard mount, you get your wind guard, not sure what that is, I would think that's something to do with your lens, and you get your standard charging cable or USB-C cable and your selfie stick. You also then get your charging hub, which comes with 3 batteries. So the 2 batteries and then the 1 battery that was in the camera and your charging cable as well. So these are the only things that you get in your Creator Pack Dual Battery Bundle. I've also then got additional extras that I feel I'll need for motovlogging, which is your ND filter set, L plate bracket for when I need to mount my camera vertically if I want to do content for Instagram, TikTok. I also got a mic adapter, a cold shoe for if I want to plug in any external mics or external accessories to my camera. And I also got this 128 SD card. So these are the additional extras that I got for motovlogging. look at the flip up screen. There we go. Okay, so just wanted to give you a quick look at this flip screen. It's actually pretty good. You do get a lot in that little screen in that shot. And I'm able to see myself, see the camera that I'm shooting in, and you can see the quality is pretty good too on that flip up screen. So that's gonna be super handy if you ever want to vlog yourself. So all in all, I'm actually impressed. This camera is really good. The colors are really good. Also just quickly checking out the picture profiles. And I must say, I am pretty impressed. And it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. So looking at some of the reviews, a lot of people were talking about how heavy it is. Just holding it, it doesn't feel heavy. So I'm pretty impressed. But I think I do love this flip screen. My only issue is whether this flip screen is going to be a problem once I have it on my helmet, whether it will easily get scratched. I did throw on this little screen protector, which you obviously won't be able to see, but I wonder if that's going to be pretty good at being scratch resistant, or at least preventing the scratches. To connect your Insta360 to your motorbike helmet, you need one of these. You can get this attachment from Chin Mount. And obviously you need your Insta360 standard mount and then a screw. You see on your standard bracket from Insta360, there's a little camera sign. So you want that to be facing your camera. So line it up with where your camera is. So you'll mount it. So once you've attached it, add your screw. Make sure that's screwed in tight. Okay, so it should look something like this. So your little camera sign should be facing out, not in. Okay, so once you've got that, now you can attach this to your helmet. If you don't have a mount on your helmet, again, you can get one from Chin Mount. Here, you insert your clip onto your helmet. Now that you've got that clicked in, grab your Ace Pro. The top of your mount and the bottom of your camera, it's magnetic. So it's a lot easier to just clip it on. So all you need to do, line it up with your camera and clip it on. And that's it. It is now very secure and it's a pretty clean setup. And to remove it, it's pretty simple. You just need to press these bottom two clips and then remove your camera, like so. Putting it back on is pretty simple. Line it up and it clips on. It's a very, very clean setup. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Abreeze Motovlogs signing off.